First snow, and it is freezing out here. We didn't get much, but it is very, very slippery out. So this is the first snow. We are definitely kicking off the second week of Vlogmas in a fantastic way. Hello everyone, I am back inside where it is warm because it is very cold outside today. We got a little bit of snow, as you guys could see, just a dusting really. They made a really big deal out of it last night on the news, but it turned out not to be much of anything. Most of the time when we get snow here, it is further up north towards where my parents live, which is like Morgantown and Preston County in the mountains. That's where we get the giant snowfall. So today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday. So happy Tuesday, guys. I am filming for my Vlogmas week 2. I hope you guys enjoyed Thanksgiving Vlogmas week 1. I'm doing Vlogmas a little bit different because it suits me a little bit better, and I feel like there will be a lot more content worthy of watching for you all that view my stuff. So yesterday let's see, backing back to Sunday, I decorated the Christmas tree, and this is the footage. The hardship. One ball I cannot get out of this tube. No matter what I've tried to do, I'm gonna have to cut it.
Away the old year passes, la 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 la. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And then on yesterday, which was Monday, was Ronnie's day to basically kick off the holidays for his broadcast that he does live on Facebook every Mondays and Fridays. And so we set the Christmas tree up in there in his area, and we got 2 new chairs and a new rug, and it all came together very, very well. And we took some photos, which I will insert right here so you guys can see our photos, just a couple, just to kick off. We got all dressed up, and it was just lovely. It worked out so well. Those of you guys don't know that my husband and I, well, my husband really, he sings Southern gospel music, and I do some with him. Anyways, there was one with him, and a group on Facebook is doing new, not live, but pre-recorded postings. And so him and I was dressed up because we took Christmas pictures as well as we did a gospel recording yesterday for that. So I'll let you guys kind of get a little snippet in here somewhere of that. So what is on the agenda today? Well, it has snowed, and I am not really sure exactly what is fully on the agenda today, but I do know that I need to clean this room. I know that's real excitement, Christmas stuff, right? I did make an Amazon purchases today for Christmas that has to be very, very hush-hushed. It's for my husband. Just the last minute things that I plan to get him for Christmas this year, and I think he will really like it. So he is all done. Besides a couple little things that I'm going to pick up at the store, but it's really kind of things that's kind of for him and I, so that'll be nice. We start our advent calendars today. Ronnie has the Reese Cup advent calendar. I have the bath product advent calendar. I have a hair sticking out here. Did you see that? And I'm going to give his mother a Reese Cup advent that she doesn't even know that I bought her. She loves Reese Cups, and I thought that would be fun for her. I don't even think she really knows that you can buy advents like that, so I think it'll be a real treat. I thought, I'm starting this Vlogmas out, and I'm wearing hot pink, which is not much of a Christmas thing, but I am filming another gift guide today before the end of the day, and I need to corral all my stuff together. Just one more gift guide. I feel like it's a good one, and it's all the favorite things that I have either purchased or have received for Christmas that I feel that you guys might be interested in. If you miss it, I'll link it down below for you guys. Anyways, let's get started on our day, shall we? Okay, we are outside taking pictures in the snow. And
it is definitely Christmas joy to the world.
Don't sing.
The Lord is come. Let earth receive her King.
Now you see.
What a wonderful cold.
Cold. Very cold.
Tuesday that we are, and this definitely feels just like Christmas.
Just like Christmas. Finally feels like Christmas. Now give me a Christmas kiss. I love you.
I love you, baby.
Are you ready to go in?
I think so.
Let's go in.
It's mighty Christmassy out here.
So, it is the end of the day, and I just wanted to show you that today is December 1st, so we opened up our Advents. I opened day number 1 on mine, and I've got this bath bomb. Ronnie has already called dibs on this. It smells, it smells really, really good.
Smells like...
He says this is his.
I can't wait.
Next year, I'm getting him his own bath bomb selection, okay?
Oh, it'll make me smell good.
Then, his is the Reese's, and he opened his first day up. And I knew the first thing he was going to say was, "That's all you get?" I knew that was going to happen.
4 little Reese's Pieces.
But anyhow, I got the bigger deal, I think. I got the bigger deal, guys. Anyways, this is a great gift for somebody. if you're looking for something maybe for next year, this is really, really cute. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Anyways, we're just going to close out the vlog here for today, and we'll see what other kind of Christmas activities we can get into this week. Good morning. I'm going to open my Advent starting this morning. Let's see. I got to find number 2. Right here. There's number 2. Let's see what I get. Number 2. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Well, it's a pink one. It smells really good. Another bath bomb to set off, you know, the month of December. I need to take a shower this morning. I need to clean up my room. I've got several things I need to do. But I thought I would start with opening up my Advent calendar this morning. It looks like I butchered the thing. But anyhow, opened up the Advent calendar and going to get my day started. I had a very long night. Apparently, eggnog and I do not agree with one another, and I had massive heartburn at 4 a.m. this morning. So, I am, I got to get something to eat. I'm going to eat something and get to work. I need to wash clothes and do some things today. Nothing real exciting, but the Advent calendar is the way to start your December morning.